to the new Toy Train Revue. We have a great show for you. We'll visit Trainworks in Dallas, Texas, where we see layouts being built, and Roger Farkas shows us how he makes those mountains you can't tell from the real thing. We cover 2 high rail layouts. One features dramatic theatrical lighting, and the other features buildings and scenery with elaborate detail added. The Marciano brothers celebrate post-war toy trains and will show you how to operate Lionel trains with an iPad. And you'll see Lionel's military and space trains like you've never seen them before. All this plus highlights of the first Toy Train Revue, which was released in the fall of 1991. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. First stop, the intricately detailed layout of Joe Gerdak.